What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing how to make you a one-shot device. It uses 2 pieces of goop, crossbow, the battle axe, and a greatsword. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first, I'm going to grab a greatsword, then the chaos axe, then we need a crossbow, right here. Now you're going to put the greatsword in the crossbow, and then you're going to get 1 piece of goop, and you're going to put it right here.
Like, if I'm not in the video, I'm not.
Right at the top. You're going to put the axe like here. You want to be where that bolt is. You're going to put it right here. Like that. And then, bam. And you do want to kind of get it inside of the greatsword. There. Actually, no, you want to put it a little above. You want to put it at the red area. Right, the red line right there. Okay? Then if you want, you can save it. You don't have to. I'm just going to do it. Okay, I guess I'm gonna make a new one. I don't know what just happened there, but I'm just gonna skip to the part where I do it. So make sure the axe is the main part, otherwise it won't work. There, got it. Okay, here. I'm gonna have my friend come out. His name is Yums. I'll put a link. I'll put like his name, his YouTube channel name above, right here.
Hello.
And he's gonna be the test dummy to show you how it works. Go out there, bro. Ready? And there we go. He died, and you can just call it back. There you go. Simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by next year, around this time, and I would be very grateful if I can get that. So, goodbye.